If you're tired of spending thousands on ads, dealing with complex funnels and still struggling to make a lot of profit, then this video is for you. So you're probably making a good amount of revenue, but the profit isn't as good because you'll keep on reinvesting into complex funnels and complex ads and everything like that. I'm going to show you how you can build a more profitable business simply by creating content, okay, without burning yourself out or wasting money on unnecessary tech, okay? And I want to show you in this video how to exactly do that. If you don't know who I am, my name's James, owner of Magnify Your Content Media, and I help businesses like yourself create content systems to save them time and also scale their business. If you want to check out my social proof, just click the first link in the description, scroll down, and you'll see a bunch of clients' results. But anyway, let's get into it. Most coaches and online service-based providers are stuck in a cycle of spending big on ads and using complicated funnels only to see tiny profit margins because you're literally reinvesting it all back into the ads, into the complex funnels. You get leads, yes, from the ads, or if you have a VSL or you run a webinar, but they're cold, unqualified, and not even ready to buy. They hop on a call sometimes and they're like, what do you even do? You're just like, bro, did you not watch my video sales letter? You spend all your time optimizing webinars, email sequences, and retargeting ads, hoping for a breakthrough. But what if you could attract high quality clients who are pre-sold on working with you without spending hours on a sales funnel or burning thousands on ads? Well, that's what exactly I'm going to break down today. And the key to a profitable business isn't more complexity, okay? It's simplicity. So instead of relying on high cost, low profit funnels, I help my clients use a 3-step content system that actually builds trust and attracts buyers organically. So when they hop on calls with our clients, they're like, yeah, send the invoice, let's go ahead, okay? They're pre-sold beforehand and they have trust for them and they take action on their own instead of you having to reach out to them 24/7, which you can do, and call them up 24/7, but you can do, but they reach out to you because they have trust for you, okay? So step one is real simple. And it is ads, but not the ads that you're running right now that cost a lot. It's really simple, low cost, high return on investment Instagram profile visit ads. So instead of running expensive sales funnel ads, we use simple low cost profile visit ads to bring traffic to your Instagram. So basically these cost around $10 to $15 to $30 a day. Of course you scale it up, but you're going to bring more leads in. But this creates a constant stream of warm leads who start engaging with your organic content, because organic content on its own is good and it can help you scale, but with ads, it's predictable. You know you're going to get these leads every single day, but with organic content, it's an algorithm. You can't really control it, but you're paying with the ads, and that's why you're going to get leads every single day, okay? So that's the first step, real simple Instagram profile visit ads that optimize for ideal clients to follow you on a daily basis. They follow you, scroll through your organic content, build up trust, which I'll speak about now, okay? So step 2 is organic Instagram content, and this builds trust and authority. So your Instagram posts, reels, and stories nurture your audience and showcase your expertise, and also, most importantly, social proof, because social proof is what's going to actually push people over the edge. And what this does is keeps you top of mind and builds real relationships with your audience. People buy from people, so when they're ready to buy, as I said, they come to you. So audience engagement, trust building, authority showcase, and then that's how you're going to win. Because most people do not understand, like, social proof is probably the most important thing to show, and if you show it, you're going to get clients coming to you, okay? Step 3, well, so that's step 2. You need to be consistent with Instagram content. I see a lot of people say, I'm consistent with content. I look at their profile, they post once a week. That's not consistent. Consistent is 5 to 7 times a week, giving value, showing social proof, and trying to grow your account at the same time, okay? So that's the second stage, which is organic content. You just post organic content. It nurtures the people who come into your world from the ads, or however, like, what I want you to understand, this whole kind of ecosystem, I call it, it's going to work with whatever funnel you're using. So if you are running ads to a VSL, if you are using webinars, and let's just say, for example, the people that watch those webinars or come from the ads to your landing page, let's just say they don't book in a call straight away or buy from you straight away. Guess what they're going to do? They're going to watch your content, okay, and then go from there and buy from you. So this if you implement this with the funnel you're running already, it's going to make it 10 times easier to get pre-sold leads. Okay, so yeah, as I said, this keeps you top of mind, and it's just really important to position yourself as an authority within your content. Step 3 is YouTube long form content, and all this does is really deepen trust and it pre-sales clients. So while Instagram builds quick engagement, YouTube really does position you as an authority, like I'm doing right now, because it's longer videos and it allows you to educate and also, most importantly, answer any objections they may have and pre-sell clients before they ever get on a call. So most of the content you should be creating is getting rid of all the objections. So you hop on calls with your you hop on calls with prospects, they give you objections. Now you know those objections, and you can create YouTube content to explain why they're wrong and why that objection that they have is wrong, and help them overcome that objection, leading them to be pre-sold and be like, yeah, let's go ahead. Okay, so that's step 3, YouTube long form content. So it's Instagram ads to get ideal clients into your world, Instagram content to also get ideal clients into your world and nurture those ideal clients, and then YouTube content to build up that real trust and pre-sell them. Okay, when you implement this system, your leads are warmer, your marketing is simpler, and your business becomes way more profitable without the stress of constantly managing complex funnels. Okay, because you don't really have to change anything up here. All you have to do is test the content that you're creating and see if it resonates with your ideal client. And that's really simple, because every week you'll create new content and you can test new things out. Okay, so this is why this funnel is so much better than what you're doing right now. And even if you want to continue and what you're doing right now is actually working well, but you want it to work 10 times better, all you have to implement is the content side of things. So let's just say, for example, you're already running ads, implement the organic content and the YouTube long form, and I guarantee, because people are going to go search you up, because the first thing people do is search you up. If they see you on an ad or they go to your VSL, watch it, they're like, they don't trust as much. Okay, we're in a trust recession. They look you up, then watch your organic content, build up trust for you over time, and then take that next step of booking in a call or buying from you straight away. Okay, so that's why all of this, even if you do want to continue what you're doing right now, will help. Okay, we'll make things 10 times easier. Okay, so as you can see, implement system. Leads become warmer. Okay, potential clients show increased interest with the content. Your marketing literally simplifies, because you're literally creating content, that's it, and you're just creating good content, so you can focus on content, which is the marketing, and then business becomes profitable. Okay, achieving higher profitability. Okay, so content is the new currency. You need to understand that the more trust you build, the more profitable your business becomes. So just start creating content, start connecting, and start closing more sales without the overwhelm of complex funnels, without running tricky ads, managing media buyers and everything like that, and just start creating these simple pieces of content like the one I'm creating right now, that's going to turn a cold lead who's never seen me before into a warm and pre-sold lead who buys from me. Okay, so this is the real system on how to make your business more profitable. It's nothing like what you're doing right now. There's no secret hacks. You need a better funnel. Okay, you need a better funnel to actually lower the cost of acquiring a client, because this is going to lower your cost per book call. It's going to lower your cost per acquisition. It's going to lower every cost that you're tracking right now, because you're not spending as much on ads, you're not taking as much time on the funnel, and you're not using like all this old click funnels and everything like that. You literally have content that sells for you on a daily basis. And for me, I literally have a landing page with a VSL on it. They book in a call, or I have my calendar link. It's really as simple as that. You need to stop overcomplicating everything. And I was literally the other day watching Iman Gadzhi, and this is exactly what he does, and he's made over 100 million. Like, that's insane if you think about it. He does this. He even said, like, you need to stop giving all your money to Zuckerberg, which is true, because you're running these ads. Instead, you need to build an organic system. Well, kind of organic, because you do still need ads to get ideal clients into your world. He even said ads plus organic content. it kills it. It does super well. So that's why I'm suggesting doing this. And if you do want to learn how to create this content, what kind of content you actually need to create, how to create this content, and what only working like 1 hour a week, just make sure you check out the second link in the description. It's going to take you to a free personal branding course that you can get. And if you want us to implement this for you, build your content system to save you time and also scale your business, get you 5 to 15 extra clients guaranteed within 90 days, check out the first link in the description, book in a call if you want. If not, just keep on watching my free content. But I hope you got some value from this video. Subscribe, everything like that. And yeah, check out these videos up here, and peace.